I don't know. You know how sometimes like you get something and it wasn't what you really wanted. It wasn't like what the photo showed. So I'm gonna see if I can redeem it for Christmas and do some Christmas stuff. In the meantime, I'm mostly posting on Burp Kitty. On the OnlyFans, the Only Flumes, because I just don't have time to make quality content, which is what I really want to post on Burp Piggy. Nice quality, high definition with good lighting, a lot of editing put in, a lot of color grading put in, and sadly, I don't have time right now for that. So if you want to